This video is going to show you how to select multiple enums on a variable on one of your components. Now, you've probably seen this before where you go into something like main camera and you're selecting the culling mask, and you'll notice that you can have multiple selections in that particular enumeration drop down. Now, I've got a magic caster here and they have an enumeration called magic source, but at the moment you can only select one of them. And I'm going to show you how to basically change that into something called a bit mask, and that uses something called the flags attribute. Now, let me show you how that works. We'll go into Visual Studio and we've got our enumeration here and we've got our magic user, and as you can see, this is just a straightforward variable called magic source, and we've set it to none. So let's change our magic source to be able to do this. Well, as I said, it uses something called the flags attribute, and that comes from system. And now what we need to do is we need to set the IDs for all these constants. And what you'll notice is they actually increment by powers of 2. And the reason for that is so they don't basically overlap. Now, once we've saved this and we've set the flags up, we don't need to change anything in here. We can come back into Unity and we can press on our magic caster. Once everything reloads, there we go. And now our drop down has something called everything. And when you press everything, it selects everything. And when you press none, which is our 0, it selects none. But we can basically come in here and we can select that our magic source is just the wind and bunnies. Now, how would we use this in our code? Well, let's jump into Visual Studio, and I'm going to write a function here that tells us whether this magic user actually has this particular magic source that we're interested in comparing against. And what we'll do is the first thing we'll check for is, do they have a magic source? Because if they don't, we're just going to return none, because why would we? There we go. And the next thing we're going to use is we're going to use a bitwise AND operator to say, does this particular magic source we're interested in actually exist? Has it been selected in our dropdown? And that's that. Now, what we'll do is we'll want to just see if this works. And we'll do a debug log here and we'll say has magic source, and we'll just compare against one random one. Earth sounds good. So there we go. We'll come into Unity and now we'll press on our magic caster and we'll see that we've currently got wind and bunny selected, and we're going to compare for Earth. So when we press play, it should return false. And there you have it. It's returned false. But if we actually had bunnies unselected and we select Earth, now if we press play, it returns true. And now for a little bit of homework. You would have seen in a previous quick tip video that you can create extension methods for enumerations. What extension methods would you create for this particular enumeration? Let me know in the comments.